Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about our business intelligence module. So for an owner, anytime it is more important in order to check the snapshot of the business, how business is going on. So their business intelligence will be helpful to you. Let me guide you how you can check the entire data and how it will be helpful to you. So on your left hand side, I will go in business intelligence module. Now, once I will come in business intelligence module, please check. This is a quick snapshot of your business overview. So the very first is the sales. Here in the sales part, you can see month on month calendar view of your sales. So here you can see the pending orders, you can see the orders delivered, and accordingly you can check it in the aggregate view as well. So here the graphical representation will be, once you will click on the graphical representation, go below and you will see all the details, top 5 pending OCs. So it will help you in checking the entire insight, that exactly how the deliveries are going on, where you can go ahead and focus in order to enhance the delivery, or is the delivery on time. So that is a very good part in the terms of delivery. Now coming below, there is a sales performance. Here you can see that as per the quotation, week on week, month on month, quarter on quarter, that how many amount the quotation have been raised, how many amount the order confirmation have been raised, and also the sales invoice. Here is the view sales report option. By on clicking on this view sales report, you will get directed to the report entire view in the Excel format. So accordingly, you can see the entire team performance. So as you can see, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, and accordingly you can check the OC, order delivered, and quotation data converted to quotation and all quotation as per your user wise as well. So suppose if you do have multiple sales member and they are creating order confirmation, so accordingly you can check that what is the performance of your teams, the sales team performance as per the user. Now coming on top, you will get same data in the purchase, which helps you in checking the entire purchase inside, that how exactly the purchases are going on, are they on time or not, where you need to go ahead and focus in order to talk to the supplier in order to go ahead and get the faster deliveries. Now coming to the next part, which is you can very well go ahead and check your entire inventory as well. The inventory dashboard helps you in maintaining your inventory. Suppose if there are some of the negative stock, low stock, where you need to go ahead and focus and reorder them, so you can quickly go ahead and check the entire insight, and accordingly you can ask your purchase team or store team to order the product. Inventory performance is also there, which helps you that how many inward have been created, grn have been created, what was the amount raw material issued in the production, and how much finished good was produced and received in the inventory. Stock valuation gives you the entire FIFO stock value which is available in your inventory. Now so this is how you can go ahead and manage around the transaction inventory. We do have an account segment as well, which will be helpful for your accounts team. So let me show you what data you will be getting. So in accounts, you can see that how many receipts are overdue, receipts due in 7 days, payments overdue, payment due in 7 days. You can very well go ahead and click on this view details and the report will get opened up. So this is how you can go ahead and check the entire receivable, payable, and accordingly can manage your entire account, and all this insight will be helpful to you in going ahead and making a better decision, because you don't want to go in the detailed report just for the snapshot. This business intelligence module will be very much helpful to you. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.